You can use the same general repair method for both shallow and deep potholes with adjustments for depth and compaction. Start by removing loose debris and water and dry the hole as much as possible using a wire brush, stiff broom, or short bursts of air from a hand pump. For shallow potholes, less than 2 inches deep, use a high-quality cold patch material, laid level and compacted firmly with a hand tamper or the flat end of a heavy tool until it bonds to the surrounding pavement. For deep potholes greater than 2 inches, fill in layers of no more than 2 inches each and compact every layer. This prevents future settling and allows each lift to form a strong interlock. When compacting, aim for firm resistance under the tamper and a smooth transition to the existing surface. Feather the edges slightly to avoid creating a lip that traps water. After final compaction, let the patch settle under light traffic for several hours if possible, and avoid heavy loads for at least 24 hours to achieve better interlock. For best durability, choose materials rated for freeze-thaw conditions in your area and perform repairs on a dry day with ambient temperature above 35 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure proper curing. Common mistakes include leaving the hole dirty or wet, which causes poor bonding. Always clean and remove moisture or the patch will detach, and use a shop vacuum or absorbent cloths if needed. Another issue is filling deep holes in one go, which leads to settlement and breakdown. Instead, fill in controlled lifts with thorough compaction for each layer. A third problem is creating an abrupt edge or overbuilt lip that traps water and accelerates failure. Solve this by feathering the patch into the existing pavement and making the surface flush. Then check the surrounding area for cracks that should be sealed to prevent water infiltration. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project details and get multiple perspectives before hiring. We also provide a discussion community where we and other users trade techniques, ask questions, and post before and after experiences to help homeowners and contractors find work and improve outcomes.